Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate your WooCommerce store with Affirm. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that we are using. If you're using WordPress like me, just go to wordpress.com and from here we can go ahead and open up our WooCommerce store. If you have not already set up your WooCommerce store, right here at the left side of the screen you can find the plugin section that's going to enable you to set up your store. So once you have set up your WooCommerce store, now we can get started integrating it with Affirm. So what we're going to do is go to the official WooCommerce website right here at woocommerce.com, and from here at the top of the screen we are going to go ahead and open up the extensions marketplace. From here this is going to open up this marketplace where we can find all the extensions we can use for our WooCommerce store, and we are using the search bar right here at the top of the screen to go ahead and search for Affirm. As you can see, once you search for Affirm, the first result you're going to see is the Affirm payments extensions. That's going to go ahead and enable you to go ahead and use Affirm payments for your WooCommerce store. So buy now, pay later for your business, but smarter. This is going to enable you to increase conversions and AOV by offering shoppers flexible payments and plans from Affirm. So if you want to add it to your store, just click the add to store option right here on the right side of the screen, and it's going to enable you to follow the steps of the extension to go ahead and integrate it with your WooCommerce store you have set up right here. You're going to get your API key, just follow the steps and set it up directly with your store, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.